It's time. It's time for the gift bow tutorial. Okay, so this one is the Scalloped gift bow from Treto.com. It is die number 466. I have it here in glitter, which I'm going to make today during the tutorial. You can also make this with spandex glitter, which looks like this. And you can make it with felt as well. Here's with felt, the gift bow. So today we're doing the red glitter one that I have on my head. So let me flip you guys over. So here she is, die number 466. We're going to flip her over. We're doing the red glitter here. So here is our red glitter. We're going to get our Sizzix plate. We're going to roll it through our Sizzix Big Shot Plus. This one does fit the regular Sizzix though. So if you have the small Sizzix machine, the 6-inch one, this one does fit the 6-inch, okay? Roll her through. Now we have everything cut out. So we have our 3 pieces. Here goes 1, here goes 2, here goes 3, and we have our little strip that you need to. So don't lose that one. You need that one. So this bow is very repetitive, okay? So I'm going to do 1, and I'm going to speed through these, and then we'll put it all together, okay? So we're going to flip it over. You're going to find a V. You're going to add a little dab of glue. Then you're going to go like this. You're going to fold it over. And you're going to put it on top of that dab of glue that we added. Okay? So we're looking like this. So basically you grab it. You're going to fold it over. And you're going to press down. Okay? So first you do is add your little dot of glue. Grab it. Fold it over and press down. And you keep doing it all the way around. So once you start, keep going that same direction, okay? Dab of glue, pull it across, fold it over, press down. Dab of glue, go like this, fold it over and press down. Keep on going, add your another dab of glue. We're going to fold it over and press down. We have 2 more to go. So basically you do this to all the pieces, okay? Add hot glue. This one right here is the biggest one. The one that has 7 is the biggest one. This is the one that you're going to add your alligator clip to, which I'll show you guys how to do that later on the tutorial, okay? Add hot glue. Grab it here, fold it over, and press down. So this is what we're supposed to look like. And if you have glue string, that's fine. We're supposed to look like this, okay? Okay, so now that we have everything assembled, we have the one that has 7, the one that has 6, and the one that has 5. We have this piece here. So this one here, it's always a little bit longer than you need. I always cut off a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to use this little square on my mat and cut off 1/2 inch. Okay? We're going to use this at the end. So we're going to grab our biggest one, the one that has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the one we're going to add our alligator clip. The alligator clip I'm using is the 3-inch one, which the one that's 45 mm, the one I use for 3-inch bows, okay? And I get my clips from Treto.com as well. We're going to fold it in half. I'm going to make 2 cuts. 1 cut, 2 cuts, okay? Make 2 cuts, looks like this. This is where we're gonna insert our alligator clip with teeth, okay? Go here, I line my clips. You don't have to line if you don't want to, but I do line my clips with 1/4 inch grosgrain ribbon. I'm going to lift up, add hot glue here, press down. Same thing with the other side. I'm gonna lift up, add hot glue here, and press down. Then I'm going to put our 1/4 inch grosgrain ribbon on the inside, okay? Let me find my X-Acto. I don't know what I did that one. I'm going to use this one. We're going to add hot glue here. Grab our 1/4 inch ribbon, bring it on the inside. Grab our X-Acto and we're going to rub it to make sure that the glue is actually stuck onto the ribbon. I already have glue strings. If you have glue strings, just use your lighter and kind of clean it up a little bit. Okay. Next, we're going to start stacking. So this is the next one, okay? We're gonna make sure it is, we don't want it like this, we want it like this. We want it off-centered, okay? Here it's stacking it right on. We want it to go like this. So we're gonna add hot glue to the middle of our we're gonna add hot glue to here. My phone's dying, you guys. Okay, we're gonna go this way here, and we're gonna make sure it's off-centered, and then we're gonna kind of cup it a little bit. I go like this. We're gonna cup, cup, cup. The next layer, we could add a little bit more glue since we have more space. So we're gonna add a generous amount of glue here. Let's help my glue gun out. And this one, I kind of like making it into a star. Well, kind of squishing it. Find 2 peaks, 1 peak, 2 peaks. Then here we find 1 peak, and then we kind of put it inside. And with the same thing, we're gonna cup it. Okay. Make sure it's nice and stuck on there. So it's looking like this. Okay, now we need the layer that goes on top. So I always make sure this goes this way, straight across. So when the little child wears it, this loop is gonna go up and down, okay? We've already cut off a 1/2 inch. What we're gonna do is add a little bit of hot glue here. Bring this over this way and make a little ring, okay? But you wanna glue your ring straight. Wait, mine's kinda crooked. Okay, there it goes, it's straight now. So we have our little ring here, okay? Then what I'm gonna do is, this goes this way. I'm gonna make my go straight up and down. So here I'm gonna make a line, okay? We don't wanna add a glob of glue. We wanna make it up and down. So when they look inside, it's not messy, okay? We wanna look nice and pretty on the inside. Grab our little ring where we cut it. That's gonna go towards the bottom, okay? And then you're gonna press down where you added that little strip of glue, okay? I'm gonna hold down for a second. Make sure that's nice and stuck on there. Then we kind of fluff it up a little bit. And our gift bow is done. So now you can get your lighter and you kind of run it over. Make sure you don't have any glue strings anywhere. And that's pretty much it. Let's grab a bow card and make a sticker on. And this is how you make the gift bow. The scallop gift bow from Treto.com, which is die number 466. You can make it with glitter, you can make it with felt, and you can also make it with the spandex glitter. So the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to follow for more tutorials.